Everyone, you can't miss this awesome update tutorial. Why? Vidnoz has just become viral. Why? It's like DID but better. It's free. You can create your own avatars or choose one there. Video creation is also possible. Let me introduce you my co-presenter.
Hello everyone, just to let you know that Vidnoz is fantastic and can work like DID, but it's free. You can use their default avatars, create your own, or even upload an image.
Amazing, right? So, no more running out on free credits. Don't worry, all the links will be in the description, including my previous video about this astounding platform. Let's dive in!
How do I look? Wanna start creating? Well, this is the step-by-step tutorial.
Choose avatars and then talking photo. Next, upload your photo. What's next? Well, you can select the language, the voice and its speed. I recommend 1.1. Click on generate. Okay, now just paste the text and hit the generation button again. Check out the result.
Hello everyone. Tech4U brings you the best free tools for your projects. This time, let's create a beautiful avatar like me. Like and subscribe for more amazing RE tool.
You know, Tech4U always brings you the best free AI tools, so hit that notification button, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.